Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today, no calculus video. Instead, we have a magic trick with a full mathematical explanation. So grab your pen and paper and I will see you in a minute. First, let's see how this works. On the screen, you see a 3x3 table with n random numbers. I want you to pick a number from the first row. In this example, I will pick the number 7 and write it on the side. But you can pick any other numbers from that row. Are you done? Great. Now, erase the row and the column that corresponds to your number. In my case, I have to erase the first row and the second column. Now, move to the second row. You can pick any of the two numbers that you did not erase in the previous step. For example, I can only take 10 or 11. Pick one and write it on the side. Here, I will pick 10. Just as before, we erase the row and the column corresponding to the number we picked. If you have done things correctly, only one number has not been erased from the table. For me, it's the number 5. Write the number below the previous two. So, let's recap. You pick 3 numbers, almost at random from this table. I couldn't possibly force you to pick specific numbers since I recorded this video days ago. But still, I'm sure that if you sum all the numbers that you picked, the result is 22. Did I get it right? How is that possible? Well, there is not such thing as magic, unfortunately, but only cool math, at least in this magic trick. Indeed, no matter how you choose, the sum of your 3 numbers will always be 22. And now we are going to understand why. I will start by revealing some of hidden numbers on the side of the grid. Now, everything starts to make sense, doesn't it? Let's look at the sum of the red numbers. 5 plus 3, is equal to 8. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. And 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And I can go on. Indeed, 5 plus 2 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. And 1 plus 2 is 3. And also this applies to the last column. Indeed, 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 4 is 11. And 1 plus 4 is 5. What's really happening? Let's play this game again, in the exact same sequence. I picked 7, which is actually 5 plus 2. Then I picked 10, which is 7 plus 3. And finally, I picked 5, which is 4 plus 1. Look at the right side of the equation. I have collected all the red numbers. And this will be true for any combination you picked, because the rule of erasing rows and columns ensures that we take one number from every row and every column. So, the final answer is simply the sum of all the red numbers on the side, which, in this case, is 22. And now that you know all of this, you can build your own magic square. Just pick any 6 numbers that you like, sum them up, and fill the grid. If you like this format, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.